here's how to use the ultra wide camera on Instagram. Now, if you might have seen or heard other people using that ultra wide camera, basically it allows you to zoom out, really have kind of a fisheye lens and be able to see a whole lot more in that camera. I'm going to show you how to use that. Let's open up the Instagram app here. And we'll swipe to the right to bring up the camera. Now, if you check in all of the settings, the different features, the tools, it is nowhere to be found. I'm not really sure why they necessarily hid it, quote unquote, hid it this way. But to be able to enable it, you just take 2 fingers and you swipe out. Oh, wrong way. You swipe in. So basically taking your 2 fingers and you swipe in, it'll switch it to ultra wide. Let's go back. If you swipe in, it'll zoom in. If you swipe out, it will switch you to ultra wide mode. So then, of course, you can record and zoom back in, all of that stuff. But I'll show you again what it looks like. Basically, the normal version. This is normal, and then this is ultra wide. You can see how much more the camera really gets in that specific lens. So just pinch your fingers in, and then you can record whatever you want. And of course, you can always just zoom in and out while you're recording as well. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.